Hey everyone, today I'm going to turn this white cotton tank top blue using Rit Dye. And since this shirt is cotton, I'm using the Rit all-purpose dye. Here's everything I'm using: 2 bins, but I could have gotten away with just 1. Next is the Rit all-purpose dye and a bottle of the Rit Color Stay Dye Fixative, a pair of disposable gloves, dishwashing liquid, table salt, a spoon, a measuring cup, and the shirt. I'm using this old towel to protect the countertop before I get started. They also recommend when dyeing anything new to pre-wash because there are chemicals that can interfere with the dye. On the Rit website, they recommend for every pound of fabric to use a half cup of dye with 3 gallons of the hottest water, safe for the fabric. This top is nowhere near a pound, so I'm going to cut the amounts in half for the water, dye, and salt. The first step is to wet the fabric. Since I cut the amounts in half, I have 1.5 gallons of hot water. And I'll squeeze this out and put it to the side. Next, I'll pour in a half cup of salt, and apparently the salt helps the dye adhere to the fabric better, and I'll give that a stir. Next, I'll add a drop of the dishwashing liquid, and if you're curious, that acts as a surfactant, which breaks the surface tension of the water and allows the dye to penetrate the fabric evenly. I'll stir that up. I've got my gloves on, I've got the dye. We'll shake it up, pour in a 1/4 cup, and give it a stir. Before I put the shirt in, I'll test it with a paper towel just to get an idea of what the color initially looks like. Okay, so that looks good, and I'll probably leave it in longer to get it darker, or I could even add more dye. Now I'll add the shirt, and the directions say to stir it for 10 to 30 minutes until the color that you want is achieved. So I'll just keep stirring it, and I'll be back. It's been about 20 minutes, and it's hard to tell the real color because it's wet. But it looks good to me, so I'm going to take it out at this point. I'll squeeze out the excess liquid and put it to the side. We're ready for the next step, so let me just swap bins out and I'll be back. Now it's time to add the Color Stay Dye Fixative. So again, I have 1.5 gallons of hot water. I'll shake it up first and then add the 2 tablespoons. And again, we'll stir. Next, we'll submerge the shirt and stir that. There's a lot of stirring with this, and this should be submerged for 20 minutes, stirring it intermittently. Now it's 20 minutes later, and I'll take the shirt out and squeeze the excess liquid from it and put it to the side. I have a clean bin, and I'm pouring cold water over the shirt to rinse it out. At this point, I'm just rinsing and squeezing and getting clean water as needed until it rinses out clear. Okay, the dyeing process is all done and it's time to wash it. Just in case there's any blue dye left, I'm washing it by itself in warm water with a little detergent. Now that the shirt's dry, you can see the actual color, and I like the way it turned out. The color's nice and even. You can see here the stitching stayed white, probably because it's polyester thread so it didn't absorb the dye, but I actually think that's a nice contrast. Also, I recommend checking out the Rit website because they have information on different techniques and situations, and they also have an FAQ section, so it's a pretty good website. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.